Here I've got BLU Advance 5.2, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, go to System, and here you have to pick Languages and Input. And now just go to Languages, and smoothly by tapping on Add a Language, you can select the one that you would like to apply. So as you can see here, we've got wide list of languages. You can pick whichever you would like to have your device in. And let me choose, for example, Filipino. To make it a default language, you have to swipe it up to the first place. And as you can see, after a couple of seconds, your device's language is changed to Filipino, and you can use it in this new language. Then if you would like to go back to English or change the language one more time, you have to open System again, go back, System, go to Languages and Input, pick Languages, and now you can remove unnecessary languages by tapping on More icon, then click on Remove and select those that should be deleted, tap on the bin icon and confirm that you would like to get rid of those languages. And as you can see, now we are back in English because it was the only one that has left. And then if you would like to add some other language, smoothly perform the same operation. Just click on Add a Language and choose the one that you would like to apply. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily change language in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.